Guys, this video today, what we're going to do, we're going to make some makeup wipes, okay? So what I got right here is some baby wipes. So we're going to turn these leftover baby wipes into some makeup wipes. So guys, we're going to take some bottled water, okay? We're going to put the bottled water in there first. Do not use faucet water, guys. So that's the water. And I probably got too much for this, for that amount of baby wipes. So then we're going to take some baby oil, guys. Put some baby oil in there. Because it's going to help remove the oil, the eyeliner and stuff. So we're going to take some baby oil. Put the baby oil in there, guys. We're going to take a little bit of witch hazel. And that's for any like bumps or something like that. It'll help with that. We're going to take a little bit of witch hazel. Put a little bit of witch hazel in there. Put that in there. And then we're going to take a little of sunflower seed oil, guys. And put a little bit of sunflower seed oil in there. Okay, Nana gonna get it. Go watch the dog. Go watch him. And we're going to mix this up, guys. We're going to mix it up. And this will help to remove the makeup off your face, guys. So once you have that all mixed up, guys, you will take it and pour it in here. And to be honest, I got kind of too much. I actually got too much of the liquids for this size. But when you pour it in there, guys, pour it in there and it's going to suck up on all those baby wipes, guys. And at night, when you guys are ready to take off your makeup, it is going to be good and saturated with the oils and stuff. And then you can take off your makeup, guys. So instead of using a paper towel, you guys can get the baby wipes. Okay, Mama, come here. Come here. Come here. No cry. No cry. And come on. Gonna say hi? Say hi. So that's how you can make your makeup wipes, guys. And you can get a lot of the makeup off your skin. And the baby wipes is already healthy, you know, for your skin as well. So you can get the baby wipes with the aloe vera in there as well. So yeah, you make your homemade makeup wipes and by using baby wipes, guys. So when you get it and pull it out, it's going to be nice and oily, guys. So it'll take that makeup off your face. So I'll show you guys on a later video because I just did my makeup today. So don't feel like taking it all off, guys. So I'll show you guys how good it take off. Alrighty, guys. Bye-bye. I'm doing my makeup remover. Now, when I get totally, like, stressed, it really makes my eyes dark. So when I do that makeup and concealer, I got the my homemade makeup remover. I'm going to make that for you guys too soon with the aloe vera and coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and it removes all the makeup. But I'm doing the treatment for my dark circles, but yeah, so I have to really conceal them really good. So yes, I wanted to show you guys kind of what it looked like. So I'm using this gel for this. It's a spot remover gel. It's Visible Difference cream, and I'm gonna share the link on eBay. But I just want to show you guys what my dark circles look like. And I'm going to use this cream for 7 days. And in 7 days, it's going to lighten up this darkness. And I'm going to show you guys the makeup remover. Because I use concealer, primer, everything. So, but you see how I don't got to do a whole bunch of wiping. And it comes right out. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that makeup remover. And you see, even I prime the top of my eyelids as well to get the makeup off. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that coming soon. So I'm going to show you guys the Visible Different gel. And with that being said, guys, this is the It's upside down. But I'm going to do a screenshot where you guys can see it. So the gel is called Visible Difference. Okay, guys, you guys have an awesome night, but it's going to lighten up these dark circles. I'm going to get my color back. Alrighty, guys. As you guys can see, I wear a lot of makeup, so this makeup remover will definitely get everything out with one stroke. It will definitely get all the makeup off with one baby wipe.